Find HCM and LCM of 90 and 140. Take the 92 will be cancelled 45 times, 5 will cancel 9 times, in 3 times. So you have to write 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 for 1 into 3 square into 5 for 1. Again 144. 2 cancel 72, 236, 218, 9, 3, 3 times. So 144 you have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 to the power 4 into 3 square. So LCM is equal to greatest powers of each prime product. The greatest powers of each prime product. 2 to the power 4 into 3 square into 5. ఈ రెండిట్లో కూడా ఇక 2 power 5 ఉంది, గ్రేటెస్ట్ 3 స్క్వేర్ ఉన్నది, 5 ఉన్నది. సో 2 power 5 4 into 16, 3 square 9, 5. So HCF is the product of the smallest power of each common prime. So 2 power 1 into 3 square least power means 2 into 9 is equal to 18.